Welcome to Westgate Chevrolet. Today we're taking a closer look at some of the interior and exterior features in our 2017 Dodge Ram Laramie. This is featured in a black paint. On the outside you can see our 37-inch wheels with our alloy rims. Inside the vehicle we have heated seats as well as a heated steering wheel, heated front seats, our trailer package, and full sensors. Now in the driver's side interior of our Ram, we can see that we have our chrome door handle, all of our mirror controls, as well as our window controls and power locks. In the bottom of it, we have some storage as well as 2 cup holders. To the left-hand side of our steering wheel, we have all of our light controls. Moving into the center, we have a digital speedometer in the center that also displays our warnings and has our sensors in it. On the left-hand side of the steering wheel is all of our hands-free controls. On the right-hand side, all of our cruise control settings. Just to the left of our center console is all of our drivetrain controls. Moving up to the middle, we have our center console, which has our media, backup camera, climate, as well as our heated front seat controls if you choose to do it from there. Moving down, we have some extra controls for that, as well as our climate control. Just at the bottom, we have all of our switches, including our trailering package, our downhill park assist, our tow/haul mode, diesel exhaust, our sensors, as well as our heated and vented front seats, and our heated steering wheel. Moving down, there's some storage. In the left-hand side of our center, we have storage with 2 cell phone spots at the front if we choose to use those, 2 cup holders, and then a center console that opens up and has some extra storage. Then on the right-hand side, we can see that we have an auxiliary as well as a USB. Our seats are featured in our black leather, and they have the Laramie center trim on them. They, of course, are heated and vented. Moving up above our rear view mirror, we have all of our garage door settings, as well as our powered back rear center window. Now walking down the side of our vehicle, we can see our Toyo tires that are 47 inches with our alloy rim in the center. Moving up, we can see that we have aluminum finishes on both our mirrors and our door handles. Just below, we have a board step for each of the front and back. Moving all the way to the back, we can see that we do have mud flaps on it. Once we're at the back of our vehicle, we can see our trailer hitch. Moving up, we can see that we have our backup camera on the rear. And once we open that up, we can see that we have plenty of storage in the back. Now into the rear of the Dodge Ram. We can see once again we have our chrome door handle as well as our window control and storage below. Moving inside the cabin, we can see that we have our magazine holders in the back of our front seats. In the center, we have our Ram logo as well as our heated seats and a 12-volt plug. Our seats in the back, we can see our premium leather. Then in the center, we have our fold-down cup holders, and of course the rear seats are also heated. Thank you for joining me for this quick video walk-around of the 2017 Dodge Ram 2500. If you enjoyed, please be sure to subscribe for more daily videos, and we hope to see you at Westgate Chevrolet soon.